diagnosed with fatty liver even though you're not a big drinker? Or maybe you've recently gone through menopause and the fatty liver seemed to pop up overnight. If so, you're not alone and it's not your fault. This video will explain why this happened and 3 things you can start doing right now to fix it. We all know too much junk food, wine, and sugar are terrible for liver health. But you probably haven't heard that after menopause, some women can quickly develop fatty liver even when eating a healthy diet. Often fatty liver causes no symptoms, especially in the early stages. You might find out by chance through a blood test. But eventually, the fat buildup causes liver damage, which is really bad for your overall health. A healthy liver is a workhorse, silently toiling away to keep you in peak shape. After menopause, hormonal changes can throw a curveball at the liver. Estrogen protects the liver, but the risk of developing fatty liver increases as estrogen levels dip. Because of this, even if you're eating what you think is a stellar diet, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease might still creep in once you go through menopause. So, how to fix it? Step number 1 is to eat more choline. What the heck is choline? It's an essential nutrient for liver health and brain health. It's naturally present in some foods and also available as a dietary supplement. Choline is needed for many steps in fat metabolism, and it plays a vital role in helping to prevent buildup of fat in the liver. Studies show that most North Americans don't consume the recommended daily intake of 425 milligrams of choline for women and 550 milligrams for men. Postmenopausal women with fatty liver should likely be getting 550 milligrams of choline per day. Although few people consume enough choline, postmenopausal women with inadequate intake of choline take a bigger hit in the liver health department because of it. One study noted that when menopausal women didn't consume enough choline, 73% of them developed measurable liver damage. Ensuring a healthy nutrient intake after menopause could be a game changer in keeping fatty liver at bay. In addition to choline in your diet, supplements of lecithin or phosphatidylcholine also deliver a convenient source of this nutrient. For more on how to get choline in your diet, check out the links below to my other videos on choline. The second thing you can do to help prevent fatty liver is to eat more probiotics. That means get in more beneficial bacteria. Hot off the press research points a finger at our gut microbiota in the dance of hormones and fatty liver. Specifically, the metabolite butyrate, produced by beneficial gut bacteria, seems to help lower fatty liver. You can get more probiotics by eating fermented foods like kefir, kimchi, and also through probiotic supplements that introduce friendly bacteria into the gut. The third thing you can do to fight a fatty liver and feed those beneficial bacteria is by getting in more dietary fiber. Dietary fiber serves as food for the friendly bacteria, and this helps them make more butyrate to clean your liver. So load up on veggies, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and any fiber-rich foods. So there you have it, the surprising reason behind your non-alcoholic fatty liver and 3 things you can do to fight it.